How to assign Google Tasks to others. In this video, I'll show you how to assign Google Tasks to others. So to get started, go ahead and open Google into your preferred browser, and then from there, go ahead and open Google Chat. So using Google Chat, you can go ahead and assign Google Tasks to others. So from Google Chat, go ahead and click on this new chat button, which you'll find at the top left of your screen. Now in here, click on this create a space button. So make sure you create a space and name your space to be able to assign tasks to others. Now on your Google Chat space, go ahead and head over into the Tasks tab. So you'll find that at the right side of the shared tab. So in here, go ahead and click on this add space task button. And then from there, you need to go ahead and add a title, details, the due date, along with the assignee of this task. So you can go ahead and assign multiple tasks to multiple individuals on your space. So make sure that that individual to whom you want to assign the task to is a member of your space. And that is how you can basically assign Google Tasks to others. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe for more videos like this.